BCom third sem from the computer application subject. Today we are going to discuss about the basic terms in Excel. So there are two basic ways to perform calculations in Excel. So today we are going to focus on the two types, what is the formula and the function, and what is the difference between formula and the function. So first one we will see what is the formula. As we all of us know, a formula is an expression to operate on values in a ranges of cells or a cell. For example, if we want to add a1 plus a2 plus a3 means a column a to first row, column a to second row, column a to third row. So we will use the formula is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3, which finds the sum, the range of the values from a1 to cell a3. So this is about the formula. So second one is the function. So functions are predefined formulas. Predefined means already we have defined the what this function will exactly work and how it works. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ನ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೀಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ obviously predefined formulas in Excel. They eliminates a so functions are the predefined formulas in Excel. They eliminates a laborious manual entry of a formulas while giving them a human friendly names. For example, equal to sum a1 colon to a3. So this the function sum all the values from a1 to a3. So we have given a name as a sum. So sum, it is easily we can remember by using that function name. By calling that name, we can easily make a addition or a division, subtraction, all the operations we can done with the help of the function name. So here we are going to given a sum. Sum means the addition we are going to do with the help of sum name, function name. So here we can see, if we type equal to sum, there are different types of functions, the name we are getting to see. Sum if s, okay, sum product, sum s cube, sum max, like this. So we can get a table also with a pop-up menu if we click on a insert function. If we get an insert, if we click on an insert function, that is a symbol seeing in the screen of f of x. So we will get one pop-up window. In that we can select which function we are going to use in that cell. So here we can see there are different types of functions available. The one of the important function that we will tell that is a sigma. We call it as an auto sum function. So it was this question was asked for the 2 marks in 2019. So write the use of sigma option in MS Excel. So you can write this one. For quickly and everyday task, the auto sum function is your go-to option. So negative navigate navigate the home tab to right corner and click the auto sum option. We will see in the right corner by using that sigma symbol that we call it as the auto sum. Then click on that auto sum. So we will get automatic sum operation, auto sum operation, that we are selected the cell. This one is a simple task. It is used for the addition operation, we can also tell. So recent used, so we are getting a recent used, the function names also available in the recent used option. Thank you.